Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. It is part B of the chapter The Gulistan of Sadi. In this part, we will do question answers and exercise. At the end of the chapter, in reading notes, some difficult words are given. Perpetually means forever, यानी हमेशा के लिए. Parable means simple story designed to teach or a story with a moral lesson. हिकायत, दास्तान या कहानी जिसमें कोई अखलाकी सबक हो. Appreciated means admired, यानी कि पसंद किया गया. Culinary of cooking or of kitchen, ऐसी चीज जिसका ताल्लुक खाना पकाने से या बावर्ची खाने से हो. Versatile, interested in and clever at many different things, having various uses. मुख्तलिफ बातों और कामों में दिलचस्पी रखने वाला, महारत रखने वाला इंसान या हमागीर सलाहियतें रखने वाला. कैलेमिटी, ग्रेट एंड सीरियस मिसफॉर्च्यून और डिजास्टर, कुदरती आफत या कोई मुसीबत. टॉसिंग, शेकिंग, हिचकोले खाना या झूलना. इनकन्वीनियंट, काजिंग डिस्कम्फर्ट, ट्रबलसम, तकलीफ दे या बेचैन करने वाली. पैसिफाई, काम एंड क्वाइटन, पुरसकून करना या खामोश करना. अफेक्शन, फॉन्डनेस और अटैचमेंट, प्यार या लगाव. एफ्लिक्ट्स, कॉजेज बॉडीली और मेंटल ट्रबल, जिस्मानी या जहनी परेशानी का बाइस होना. ट्रिफलिंग, ऑर्डिनरी, स्मॉल, मामूली या छोटी. टायरेंट, क्रूअल, जालिम. ब्रूटैलिटी, क्रूएलिटी या जुल्म. Question number 1 is choose the correct answer. In this question, options are given and you have to choose the correct option. The slave had never experienced any. The options are pleasure, calamity, rule, war. You have to choose the correct option and correct option is calamity. Next is the boat started tossing means that the boat. Options are remained peaceful, started flying, started shaking, sank. Correct option is started shaking. The slave began to cry and tremble. Options: in joy of getting a reward, in fear of being drowned, by seeing others crying, by the punishment inflicted by the king. Correct option is in fear of being drowned. The slave was thrown into water. Options: to catch a fish, to drink water, to experience the true danger of life, to swim. Correct option is to experience the true danger of life. Who was Noshirwan? Options: a slave, a sergeant, an accountant, a king of Persia. Correct option is a king of Persia. The king was famous for his options: cruelty, justice, injustice, wickedness. Correct option is justice. The foundation of oppression was small in the world means, now there are options. The condition of being ruled unjustly was found in the world. The foundation of the building was small. The oppression was not deep-rooted. There was little cruelty in the world. Correct option is there was little cruelty in the world. The king fell seriously ill and all hopes of his recovery. Options: enlightened, went out of existence, were expected faded. Correct option is went out of existence. For what purpose did the parents give consent to kill their son? Options: for reputation, for money, to get rid of the naughty boy, to escape the duty of bringing up the boy. Correct option is for money. On hearing the words of the boy, the king could not control his army, people, rule, tears. Correct option: tears. The boy saved his life by praying to Qazi, king, parents, God Almighty. Correct option: God Almighty. Question number 2 is mark the sentences true or false. The Persian slave was not sailing in a king's boat. False. The slave was used to voyaging. False. All the passengers remained quiet except the slave. True. He was pacified by the sergeant. True. The king punished the sergeant for throwing the slave into the water. False. The king of Persia was famous for his justice. True. The boy paid the price of salt. False. The king got the consent of the parents by giving them a huge amount of wealth. True. The boy looked towards the king and smiled. False. The king shed the blood of the innocent boy. False. Now there are question answers. Answer the following questions. Question number 1 is, what was the advice given by Nौशेरवान to his people? इस सवाल में पूछा गया है कि नौशेरवान ने अपने अवाम को क्या नसीहत की या उनको क्या एडवाइस दी. The answer is, Nौशेरवान advised his people not to lay the foundation of oppression. The successors will enlarge it. If a thing is obtained from a subject, it should be paid for. उससे अपने लोगों को ये नसीहत की कि वो जुल्म की बुनियाद ना रखें और अगर उन्हें कोई चीज़ ज़रूरत है या अवाम से वो कुछ लेते हैं तो उसकी पेमेंट भी करें. Second question is, what was the remedy suggested by the physicians for the disease of the king? बादशाह की बीमारी के लिए तबीबों ने क्या इलाज तजवीज़ किया था? The answer is, the physicians suggested that the disease of the king could be cured only by means of bile of a person endued with certain qualities. तबीबों ने या हुक्मा ने यह तजवीज़ किया था कि बादशाह की बीमारी का इलाज सिर्फ इस सूरत में मुमकिन है कि एक शख्स जिसके अंदर ख़ास किस्म की खूबियाँ हों उसके पित्ते से या उसके बाइल से उसका इलाज किया जाए. Why did the boy look the sky and smile? लड़के ने आसमान की तरफ क्यों देखा और क्यों मुस्कुराया? The answer is, the boy was hopeless of his parents, the Qazi and the king. He looked to the sky to seek refuge with Allah. He smiled at the low thinking of his parents, injustice of the Qazi, and the selfishness of the king. लड़का अपने वालिदैन से, काजी से और बादशाह सबसे नाउम्मीद था, तो उसको अल्लाह के सिवा और कहीं से पनाह नहीं मिल सकती थी, तो अल्लाह की तरफ पनाह के लिए आसमान की तरफ देखता है और अपने वालिदैन की सोच के ऊपर मुस्कुराता है. इस तरह से बादशाह की खुदगर्जी और काजी की नाइंसाफ़ी पर वो मुस्कुराता है. What should be the role of a काजी? काजी का क्या किरदार होना चाहिए? The role of a qazi is very crucial. He should not be partial to anyone. He should do justice with everyone at any cost. काजी का किरदार बहुत ही अहम है. उसे किसी के साथ जानिबदारी नहीं करनी चाहिए और हर कीमत पर इंसाफ करना चाहिए. Why did the king weep? बादशाह क्यों रोया? Hearing the speech of the boy and seeing his own selfishness, the king began to weep. So he decided not to shed the blood of the innocent boy. लड़के की तकरीर सुनकर और अपनी खुदगर्जी देखकर बादशाह रोने लगा और उसने ये फैसला किया कि वो अपनी जान बचाने के लिए या अपनी जात की खातिर किसी मासूम का खून नहीं बहाएगा। How did the king recover? बादशाह किस तरह सेहतयाब हुआ? The king feared Allah and took pity on the boy. Allah took pity on him. The boy might have prayed for his recovery. He might have recovered due to the blessings of the boy and the grace of Allah. बादशाह अल्लाह से डरा और उसने लड़के पर रहम खाया और लड़के ने भी हो सकता है बादशाह के लिए दुआ की हो और लड़के की दुआ से और अल्लाह की रहमत की वजह से वो सेहतयाब हो गया। राइट अ नोट ऑन द कैरेक्टर ऑफ नौशेरवां। नौशेरवां के किरदार पर नोट लिखें। Noshirwan was a very just king. He was loved and respected by his masses. He could go deep down things. He always had a look at the result of any action. He did not even allow his men to get salt free of cost. नौशेरवां बहुत ही मुनसिफ मिजाज और मेहरबान था। अवाम भी उसका एहतराम करती थी, उसको पसंद करती थी। वो चीज़ों की गहराई तक जा सकता था और हमेशा हर अमल के नताइज पर नज़र रखता था, यहाँ तक कि वो अपने लोगों को इस बात की भी इजाज़त ना देता था कि वो नमक मुफ्त ले लें। What should be the role of a king? बादशाह का क्या किरदार होना चाहिए? The king should always be sincere. He should always do justice. He should be God-fearing. He should be kind, just, compassionate, sympathetic, and sacrificing. बादशाह को हमेशा मुखलिस होना चाहिए, इसके साथ उसके अंदर ये खूबियाँ होनी चाहिए कि उसे इंसाफ करना चाहिए, उसे खुदा तरस होना चाहिए, मेहरबान, हमदर्द और कुर्बानी करने वाला होना चाहिए। Can an unjust king flourish? क्या गैर मुंसिफ बादशाह तरक्की कर सकता है? No, an unjust king cannot flourish. It is because if he does not do justice, there will be revolt against him. Finally, they will dethrone or kill him. नहीं, क्योंकि अगर बादशाह इंसाफ नहीं करेगा तो लोग उसके खिलाफ बगावत करेंगे और उसको पसंद भी नहीं करेंगे और आखिरकार उसका तख्ता उलट दिया जाएगा। What moral lesson do you get from the second tale? दूसरी कहानी से आपको कौन सा अखलाकी सबक मिलता है? The answer is we should not get anything of any person without his due permission. We should not be cruel to anyone. We should pay the price of the thing if we acquire it from anybody. We should nip the evil in the bud. हमें इजाज़त के बगैर किसी शख्स की कोई चीज़ नहीं लेनी चाहिए, किसी पर जुल्म नहीं करना चाहिए। अगर हम कोई चीज़ लें तो उसकी कीमत अदा करें और बुराई को शुरू ही में दबा देना चाहिए। Then there is a question. Read the passage and answer the questions given at the end. This passage is from your text. I am reading it. A king fell seriously ill and all hopes of his recovery vanished. The more the disease was cured, the more it became painful. At last, the physicians agreed that this disease cannot be cured except by means of bile of a person endued with certain qualities. Orders were issued to search for an individual of this kind. A son of a farmer was discovered to possess the qualities mentioned by the doctors. The king summoned the father and mother of the boy, whose consent he got by giving them a huge amount of wealth. The Qazi issued a decree to shed the blood of a person for the health of the king. The boy was brought to the altar, and the executioner was directed to slaughter the boy. When all was ready, the boy looked toward the sky and smiled. Now there are questions from this passage. Question number 1 is, what was the cure suggested by the physicians for the ailment of the king? The answer is, the cure suggested by the physicians for the ailment of the king was a bile of a person having certain qualities. Question number 2, how did the king get the consent of the parents of the boy? King king got the consent of the parents of the boy by giving them huge amount of wealth. Question number 3. Why did the Qazi issue a decree to shed the blood of a boy? Answer is that Qazi issued a decree to shed the blood of a boy because he thought it just to kill anyone for the sake of king. Question number 4. Why did the boy look toward the sky? Because he found no other refuge except Allah Almighty. That's why he looked toward the sky. Question number 5. Give the main idea of the passage. Now you have to give the main idea of only this passage, not of the whole chapter. The main idea is boy was in miserable condition. His own parents, king and Qazi, became selfish. Yet boy was smiling because he had faith in Allah Almighty, and we should never lose our hope in any condition. At the end of the chapter, there is a note about the author, in which he says, Sheikh Sadi, like Homer and Shakespeare, is a great storyteller. शेख सादी होमर और शेक्सपियर की तरह एक अजीम दास्तान गो थे. He belonged to Persia. उनका ताल्लुक ईरान या फारस से था. He traveled from India in the east to Tripoli in the west and wrote Gulistan. उन्होंने मशरिक में इंडिया से मगरिब की तरफ ट्रिपोली तक सफ़र किया और गुलिस्तान लिखी. The great work of all times, जो कि एक बहुत बड़ा काम था. The translations of Gulistan soon won the admiration of the European scholars. गुलिस्तान की ट्रांसलेशंस ने यूरोपियन स्कॉलर्स से बहुत ज़्यादा दाद और तहसीन हासिल की. Then there is a theme. The morals and virtues of the kings affect their people a lot. बादशाहों के अखलाकियात, उनकी क्वालिटीज़ और उनके morals उनकी अवाम पर बहुत ज़्यादा इफ़ेक्ट करते हैं. The more unjust the king is, the more troubled his country will be. जितना ज़्यादा बादशाह नाइंसाफ होगा, उतना ज़्यादा मुल्क में इंतशार होगा और ट्रबल्स होंगे. The prosperity of the people depends upon the virtues of the ruler. किसी भी मुल्क की खुशहाली के इन्हिसार उसके हुक्मरान की खसूसियात, उनकी अखलाकियात पर और उनकी क्वालिटीज़ पर होता है. Now you have to read the whole chapter, do these questions and answers, and also do the translation. Translation is from English and into Urdu, and there are 15 marks for translation. Thank you.